is that, Hank? Who's playing that? Do you like that? Do you like that? He never heard a guitar, I guess. He's not sure. What's that? What's that, Hank? You want more water? Go get your water. You like to listen to Brandon. Where are you? Are you listening?